Okay, hello guys, what's up? I'm here at Qraj Bajaj Indranagar. I'm here to review this beauty, the upgraded Bajaj Dominar 400 2022. So let's see what are the top upgrades that Bajaj has done to this motorcycle. Top 8 accessories for Bajaj Dominar 2022. Number 1, it gets a USB charging port, the mobile holder. Number 2, Number 3, the extended windshield. Now you get a bigger windshield. Number 4, back stopper. Number 5, top rack and saddle stay. Number 6, aerodynamically designed handguards. Number 7, the number plate holder. And the number 8, engine bash guard. The fit and finish looks very good. So everything is company fitted, so usually what happens, we used to go to the third parties and kind of install everything, but if it is company fitted, the one advantage is you don't have to worry about the fittings, be it handlebar, or be it the engine guard, extended guard for the radiator, or be it a bash plate, or be it a top rack. This is the most important thing. If it is company fitted, it will be very, very strong and you don't have to kind of worry about the fittings. So that's a good advantage if company itself fits in all these kind of accessories. So I would give a 9.5 out of 10 for this upgrade. Let me know what you guys think, but having why 9.5 out of 10, because I would have asked Bajaj to go for bigger footrest here. So this is okay for braking and other things, but if you want to kind of do off-roading by standing, I think you need little bit kind of wider one. That's what I feel. But yes, nothing is 100% perfect, guys. Come on, they have done a lot of good upgrades and we should appreciate that. I can't wait to test ride this particular motorcycle, and it is not yet available for test ride in Bangalore. But yeah, once I get a chance, I will test ride this motorcycle and do some long review for you guys. Apart from upgrades with respect to engine power, CC and the brake disc and everything, I think it's the same thing. There is not much upgrade. Only they have focused on the touring accessories mainly. So the engine power, the discs, the stats, everything remains the same, because it has done a great job over all these years, at least for last couple of years with its BS6 version. So Bajaj don't need to work on any such other items as such, but yeah, this is a perfect upgrade, I would say. If you ask me personally, if I would like to go and fit in all the things myself from third party, because that's a different kind of experience, But having said that, big thumbs up to Bajaj Auto. They have really made this motorcycle from better to best. Apart from the knuckle guard, you also get this aerodynamic kind of fittings. So whenever you're riding in, the air will neatly pass in, and the same goes for the visor. Now you get a bigger visor, much more practical. I definitely like this, but the one which I have fitted, so that is little bit taller than this, but this will kind of do a job if you're riding in 100s or 110s. If you're riding all day long, then I would say go for a bigger windshield. If you see the previous Dominar, right, it hardly had any protection here, but now you see the aluminum protection here. It's a pretty good one. Now you also have the extended protection for your radiator and the coolant. So whenever the bike falls, I think this will protect your radiator also. But yeah, I think it is good, but I would say the Zanas or the Hyper Rider engine guard is much more reliable or much more practical. But yeah, anyway, the company has done a little bit of work here also. Apart from that, you have back stopper, which is pretty much required whenever you have pillion, especially whenever a woman is sitting or someone aged person is sitting. So because the bike has a lot of power, the starting power, so it usually pulls in, and it is very difficult for the pillion to kind of hold the motorcycle and not to fall back, taking care of all the facets. So now it has become a perfect tourer. Just buy the motorcycle, put in your top box. If you like to use a saddle stays, put in your saddle bags and put in your charging mount here, and you are ready to tour. Let's hear its exhaust note. Thank you, Shivraj, who allowed me to review this motorcycle, and he helped me to get it from outside and park it inside for better shooting. Thank you, sir. Boss, thank you.